Hi guys, how you doing today? Welcome to my channel. So today we're gonna work with balloons again. We're gonna have some more fun with balloons. I'm going to show you how to do balloon duplets, triplets, and quads. Last time we did the balloon glue dots and balloon tying tool. So today we're gonna have some more fun. So the way that I learned was from YouTube, and I learned other people's way. But as you do it, you will learn other tricks or the other techniques, and you will learn. You will do what works for you. And today I'm gonna show you both ways, what I learned and what works for me. So let's start with first, guys. I want to show you. This is the pump that I use, electric balloon pump. I will add this on the description, and you can click on it to purchase it if you want it. Okay guys, so now let's start with the easiest one, which is the duplets. So you can do it, pump them at the same, inflate them at the same time, which is the easiest and fastest. But if that doesn't work for you, of course you can do it one at a time. So I'm going to show you where you do it at the same time. Okay, so one is bigger than the other. Doesn't matter, it depends what you're doing, but we can try to make it the same size. Okay, now guys, so I'm going to make a duplet. So I'm going to just twist and tie. So that's one way, guys. So I'll just do it that way. So now we have our duplets. So now the other way, I'll show you guys, because sometimes my hands hurt, trying to hold something that's not tied, and I have to, hold on to it. We can do it in a easier way that, for those who have like problems with their joints, arthritis and stuff like that, why not do it the other way? So I've done it that way too, which works for me. So I will tie it the old way. Tie my balloon and put it aside. Then do the other one. Especially if you're not working with a pump and you're working with the not the electric pump, you're working like with a small manual pump. So you might need to do one at a time. So now I have my balloons. I don't have to worry about it deflating or anything like that. So then I will do the same thing, twist and tie, and I still have my duplets. So now guys, so we have two duplets. So we're gonna make a quad. So all you have to do, guys, is just twist two balloons together. So here we go. We're just gonna take two balloons and twist. One and two. Here we go. Now we have a quad. All right guys, so now let's do our triplets. Okay, so let's do it together. See what I mean, guys? So sometimes it's just best to do it one at a time. And then now we're gonna add one more balloon to do our triplet. Wow, you're not working. Okay, guys. So, like I said, you can choose to tie it, but we don't have to. So now we're just going to twist it around and use any end of any balloon to tie it. And here we go. We have our triplet. I hope that helped, guys. I hope that was helpful for you. And next time we can explore, how to do clusters, different things. So maybe we can start right now. So in order to do a cluster, all you have to do, remember how we did our quads and we twisted two balloons together. So we're going to do the same here. We'll just take two balloons and we twist them. Here we go. Guys, what do you think? How did I do? All right, guys, so that was it for today, and I'll see you next time. I hope that was helpful, and my information will be in the description, and I'll see you next time, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. Bye bye.